Center Max 10th Social Science first midterm question. Answer the following question. ஆறு கொஸ்டின் அட்டன் பண்ணணுமா 12 மார்க்குக்கு. 11th கொஸ்டின் பாருங்க. What do you know of trench warfare? அடுத்து வந்து பாருங்க. Who were the 3 prominent dictators of the post-World War? What do you know of the White Terror in Indochina? 14th question. Name the neighboring countries of India. 15th question. What is meant by natural resources? 16th. State the type of agriculture practiced in India. 17th question. What is meant by citizenship? 18th. What is the qualification of judges of the Supreme Court? 19th. Define national income. 20th. Write short note on multinational corporation. Fourth part. Write in detail any 2 questions. 21st. Analyze the effect of the World War II. 22. Distinguish between the following: Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Second question. Weather and climate. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா பியில் வந்து give reason. Himalayas are called young-fold mountain. 23 பாருங்க. Describe the executive and judicial powers of the President of India. 24th. Brief. Explain various terms associated with the measuring of national income. Timeline. 5th part. Timeline. Write any 5 important events from the year 1910 to 1940. Answer the following question. 8 mark. Any 1 ma? Discuss the main causes of the First World War. அப்படி இல்லை அப்படின்னா explain the divisions of the northern mountain and is the importance of India. ஓகேங்களா. next 7th part. Mark the following places of the on the India outline map. India outline mapல மார்க் பண்ண வேண்டியது ஆரவல்லி, Mount Everest, direction of southwest monsoon wind, alluvial soil region, river Ganga.